All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, everybody. We are going to do a little unboxing of something. Let's watch my cool intro. I'd say unboxing, but they didn't send it in a box. They basically just wrapped it. Kind of weird, but I'm sure it's fine. It's not fragile. I saw locally there's somebody selling the leg lamp. How funny would that be in your window during Christmas time? It's their major reward. Except it's not, it's only like 20 inches tall. So, it's not the actual size. So, we are going to unpack this too because this is an accessory for it. Now, you guys know I have gotten into fly fishing. More specifically, fly tying. So this is basically a better version of this. So this was my first. This is what I've been tying flies on. You guys also know I've got even a better one coming. A better one. This is a Dr. Fish rotating one. Ooh. And it comes in a really nice package because they don't put it in a box. So it's a travel one. And this one should come with a base. And it does. There's the base. And it also has a clamp. So here's its clamp. White clamp. Let's look at the base before we look at the actual vise. Okay, we got something here. Like a knob. And so tonight, I hope that there's a meeting of the local fly fishing club. May not be, I don't know. And this right here goes in the base. I think this one goes in the base. And that's the tension knob for it. So here's the base. It's heavy, it's probably my guess. 2 pounds? Maybe 2 pounds. I don't know. Give or take. So this will screw into here. And this is the knob for that. Pretty sure. It's got little pads too. I don't know what those are for yet. I think it's got an instruction manual in there. We're going to screw this in. Assuming, yep, there it goes. Just screws in there. And then and let's look at the instruction manual. Here it is. It's an instruction sheet. Really wouldn't require a whole lot of instruction, so I like the little carrying case it comes with. So let's look at the vise itself. This is really what you're paying for. Okay, here it is. This is the vise right here. They give you a little things, and this bolt comes off. And that go on there like that. So there is that. And they give you a little tool set. So this right here, we want to do that. Is it electric or magnetic? Not magnetic. It is kind of neat where they it has 2 ball bearings in it. It's a lot like my Masters. Not a lot like my Masters, you know what I mean. Okay. I think your arm's going to have to go up to there. You go. You can adjust that without that. All right, good. All right. Let's check it out. Oh, the accessory. We got an accessory. I have found out that a bobbin holder is, look at this thing. It's very important. Let's hope it fits, huh? It just helps clean up everything, when you're doing it. So, you'll see in a second. This thing right here should go on there. Like that. It does. Always a good sign, huh? Kind of weird. This let's go up here like this. Ooh. And there is that. This is it. So let's get a hook and square it up. Let's grab, I'm going with a 10 hook. Let's see how this works. I'll grab some thread. Wish this was magnetic, but other than that, yeah. All right, let's open up the jaws just a little bit, just enough. Squeeze it in there, just like that. Okay. So we need to go up and then open. We want that to be parallel with that. So when I turn it, it doesn't, we want it to stay on that axis right there. Still working that axis. There it is. See how that your needle stays in that one spot? That's what it's supposed to do. Where's the case? Tighten this thing down. Yeah, that looks good. This is kind of neat. It's got this little 90-degree handle here. Usually you don't have that. You can loosen this to make it a little faster. It does have two bearings in here, which is really neat. Like I said, so this right here, I can move this away and let's see how good it holds that hook. Holds hook real good. It would bend if I pushed it a little more. See, now watch this. Now if you want, you could do this. But yeah, so much easier to just wrap it like this. Now the neat thing is about this bobbin holder right here, I can just sort of lay this down there like that, and it'll hold that wire away while I work on this. So something I didn't have on my other one. So the other one actually works pretty good. Doesn't hold the hook real tight. This is a different alloy here. And it doesn't have the same rotary function. It does have one, but not as nice. And I don't have this, I bought this. Now I sort of drilled it, a space in my workbench for this one. I could probably do something with this, but I'm not going to do anything with this just yet until after I get my my Renzetti Masters next week, which is supposed to arrive on Monday. But this actually is pretty cool. It's it actually is a very nice looking vise. I may just keep the Dr. Fish, I don't know, and sell the Masters. Masters is $800 vise with the accessories and more. So I will probably sell it. I think I could live with this. I really do. I think I could live with this. I'm going to tie a few flies with this, and we're going to see how it does. That's what we're going to do. So I like it. I like the blue. I like the metal. It's very attractive, and I like the fact it's got 6 little trays down on its base. 6 trays, and this is great to hold things like the beads, hooks, things like that. It doesn't stand real tall, but it doesn't need to. So that's another thing. Some people say, well, you don't get a lot of height with it, but it's about the same height as my other one. It's really nice, actually. I like it. Well, this is the Dr. Fish Rotary Vise. And it doesn't come with the the bob and holder thingy, you know, this thingy. I bought that extra. So, but I think it's going to work out very well, guys. I like the 6 trays down below. You know, the 6 little trays on the base. The base feels solid. I mean, it's not going to move. And I love the travel pack. It's a fun little travel pack. So this little travel pack with my sewing kit. And they've given you some extra areas here you could pop out. And you could pop these areas out for other stuff. I don't know what other stuff you got, but you can pop it out. But you take this on, you know, when we're going camping. We're going camping in a few weeks. This will be fun. Just take that with my sewing kit. And I can tie my flies right there at the campsite. Won't that be nice? I like it. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. It looks good. It feels good. Feels real good. But you know, that's it. This is it. The Dr. Fish Rotary Vise. You know, I got it on the Prime days, so it only cost me $65. I think they're about $80 normally, so it saved a little bit of money. And you know, I was thinking I would just go with this and not the Master's Vise, but I've already paid for the Master's Vise, and it's got so many accessories. So we're going to do sort of, I have 2 other vices coming in. So we're going to do a side-by-side of quite a number, from really budget $15 vices on up to top of the line. And we're really going to have fun with this. Dr. Fish. It feels very good. It really doesn't. Let me see how much metal is on here. So, magnets. So we're just going to let that hang there. I'm going to let that hang. So our base, that's pot metal. It's not anything magnetic, which is a bummer. Everything, okay, that's metal. The head is, the actual clamp is metal. All right, so out of the metal pieces, this piece right here is magnetic. This is aluminum. This is metal. So metal and metal. Everything else is not. Okay, it's aluminum. Or in this case, this is probably a pot metal. But usually pot metals, I mean, you know, it's heavy. So I think it's like a potash or, you know, type of metal. I don't know. It's heavy though. Anyway, that's it. I know. How cool is that? Me and my new little vise.